Window cleaning robots are a revolutionary solution for maintaining sparkling clean windows without the hassle of manual labor. There are many products available to choose window cleaning robots, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best window cleaning robots from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Alphabot Window Cleaning Robot. The Alphabot X8 window cleaner is a smart and efficient solution for cleaning both interior and exterior high-rise windows. With its dual water spray feature, it can spray water in all directions, ensuring thorough cleaning. The self-adjustable suction technology allows the robot to vary its suction power based on the type of stain, effectively removing even the toughest dirt. The built-in voice assistant makes it easy to start and troubleshoot the robot, adding convenience to the cleaning process. Additionally, the visible water tank lets you know when it's time to refill, eliminating any guesswork. With its intelligent detection of window frames, the Alphabot X8 can be used on framed windows or unframed glass. The robot offers 3 auto-cleaning modes and manual control for spot cleaning, providing versatility for different cleaning needs. The upgraded cleaning pads ensure spotless and streak-free windows, leaving them looking crystal clear. Number 2. Window Cleaner Robot, Smart Window Cleaner. The SUNSMAI Robot Vacuum is a smart window cleaning robot that offers efficient and convenient cleaning for your windows, tiles, and glass doors. With its double spiral cleaning head and microfiber cleaning cloth, it can deep clean the window surface without scratching. It has 3 automatic cleaning modes and manual control to meet different cleaning needs. The built-in AI technology detects window frames and obstacles, ensuring an intelligent cleaning route. The robot can reach every part of your window, including those hard-to-reach areas. Users can control the robot through the infrared remote control or the mobile app. It also has safety features, such as a powerful vertical suction force to prevent falling and a UPS system to keep it running for 30 minutes when the power is disconnected. If you have any questions or issues, SUNSMAI provides free support through their customer service. Number 3. Ecovacs WinBot W1 Pro Window Cleaning Robot. The Ecovacs WinBot W1 Pro Window Cleaning Robot is an intelligent cleaning solution that takes the hassle out of window cleaning. With its powerful 2,800 pascals suction power, it effortlessly attaches to windows, freeing your hands and saving you time. The robot features dual cross-water spray technology, which keeps the mopping pad constantly moist, making it easy to dissolve stubborn stains. Safety is a top priority with the internal drive system, ensuring steady movement and protection against power failure. The robot also utilizes the WinSlam 3.0 path planning system, offering 3 adaptive cleaning modes for a thorough cleaning experience. Thanks to the edge detection technology, even frameless glasses can be cleaned without any difficulty. With a 60 milliliters reservoir, the robot can clean a large surface area without frequent pad replacement or water tank refilling. Once the cleaning is complete, the robot automatically returns to its starting point. Experience the convenience and efficiency of the Ecovacs window cleaning robot for sparkling clean windows every time. Number 4. Fmart T9 Pro Window Cleaner Robot. The Fmart T9 Pro Window Cleaner is a cutting-edge robot vacuum designed to make your window cleaning tasks effortless and efficient. With its advanced ultrasonic atomization technology, it produces a slim and ultra-fine water mist, ensuring a fresh and bright living environment. The electric water tank with a precise water output allows for quick and efficient cleaning, covering larger spaces with less water. Equipped with a powerful suction, it automatically adjusts suction levels based on dirt levels, providing secure adhesion and effective stain removal. With its Z-shaped cleaning route and AI intelligent path, it improves cleaning efficiency and reduces missed spots. This versatile window cleaner can be used on various smooth surfaces, making it perfect for single/double/multi-layer glass, seamless tiles, mirrors, and bathroom doors. The Smart T9 Pro window cleaner is the perfect gift for anyone looking to upgrade their cleaning routine and enjoy sparkling clean windows. Number 5. Chovery Window Vacuum Cleaner. Introducing the Chovery Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful and intelligent cleaning solution for your windows, glass doors, and tiles. This vacuum cleaner features a MEMS detection system, which uses a highly sensitive bezel sensor to automatically avoid obstacles and adapt to different window sizes. With its intelligent anti-drop and power-off battery life, you can trust that this vacuum cleaner will prevent falls and continue working for 30 minutes even when the power is off. The double spiral cleaning head eliminates the challenge of cleaning high-rise windows, ensuring thorough cleaning in just 3 minutes per square meter. With its strong 5600 PA suction power, this vacuum cleaner securely absorbs windows for efficient cleaning. Experience the convenience and efficiency of the Chovery vacuum cleaner today.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.